Welcome to Learn with Amine. If you are a student on work authorization in United States, such as CPT or OPT work authorization, then this video is for you. It is tax season again, and if you want to make standard deduction because you have made tuition or fee payments to your university, then you would have to download this form from the university student portal. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to download this form from the university student portal and what form it is, and this form needs to be used while you are filing for taxes to the IRS. So let's get started. First of all, go to your university student portal and log into your account. Then after that, you can go to student and student home tab. There you can see 1098T form printing. And after that, it shows the forms by the year. For the tax year January to December of 2025, you have to click 1098T form 2025. As you can see, it is currently empty. What does it mean by empty 1098T form? It means that you have not provided SSN to your university. Go to Student Account Center, and after that you can scroll to the bottom. There you will see a section in order to update your SSN to the university, like providing SSN to your university, which you have not done before. Now, in the section of update SSN, please enter your social security number or ITIN number, then click on submit. And the deadline to submit your SSN to your university is March 15, 2026, in order to generate 1098T form of the previous year, which is 2025. Now, after you have submitted, it takes around 2 hours of time to generate a new 1098T form for the previous year, and which has all the details. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.